Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about this bathroom storage cabinet. It is eco-friendly and waterproof, and I can't wait to put it together. So it has 2 doors and 2 shelves, and as you can see, you get to display your toilet paper over here, maybe a little plant here, and you have room for storage because these doors close. I can't wait to put this together. It will take me a little bit, so I'm just going to show you guys what comes inside the pack, and then I will go assemble it and let you guys know what it looks like, how much I can store in it, and everything like that. So take a look. It comes with the screws already, which is great, and everything is bubble wrap for protection. My favorite part is when things are labeled. As you can see, they all have stickers, and it is going to be a bunch of pieces, of course. Take a look at all of this. So I'm gonna go put it all together and come back to show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, I finished constructing and putting it together. It was not hard at all. It was almost like a jigsaw puzzle, and I got it done with a little help in under 15-20 minutes, and it looks great in my bathroom. I really like the drawers where I can keep extra toilet paper or wipes and stuff like that, so I always have them ready and easily available, but they're still tucked away nice and pretty. I think the structure of it is very solid and good. I definitely recommend this product. It is so nice and it looks beautiful in my bathroom. It's really what ties it all together, and there's also a space for toilet paper in there as well, so you don't even have to worry about where to put that. I absolutely really like this product. It looks amazing in my bathroom, the color, everything about it, and of course you get 2 drawers with it, so go check it out, you guys. You'll not be disappointed.